Okay, so we're hiking up early to drive to DeLand to do an interview today with a teacher, Rebecca, friend of ours too. And it's too early. Feels like it's too early. Are you excited?
I am excited.
Should I follow you into the bathroom?
You can. You can see this daily stuff that I go to look this beautiful. Did you get a little snack?
Got a little snack.
Made a little pit stop.
I have to potty all the time. Potty all the time. Potty all the time.
We're on our way to our interview with Miss Rebecca Swanson.
See?
But we have to potty all the time, so we're going to be late.
We're gonna be
Just a few minutes.
5 minutes. If I can.
If he speeds without getting pulled over.
I am not speeding. Never break the law. Don't point at the.
Anyway,
Don't point at the speed
we'll check it against Sen.
speedometer.
Bye.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
You have everything?
Even your water bottle. Look at
Oh.
who carries everything. Look at this.
I have this heavy bag.
You do not.
This never happens.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Is there a doorbell? There's a doorbell right there.
Ding dong.
I put it
hear it?
walked into
Did
a
you hear
spider
it?
web.
Look at my funky toes.
Hi, we're late.
Wow.
How are you?
Good.
Shoes are okay?
Yeah, shoes are fine.
How you doing?
Oh,
Thank
welcome,
you. Good. Sorry we're late.
Oh, you're
I'm
fine.
always late.
We're old.
You're
We got
fine.
pee-pee breaks. All right, we are wrapping up here at Becky's house. Just did our interview for #Month of Teachers.
And look, I'm carrying all the stuff just for clarity.
Now he is. Yes, very much. All right, we're saying bye to everybody.
Thank you
Bye
guys.
guys, thanks for
Thank
having
you. This
us.
was awesome.
Thank you.
There's the better half or the other half. I don't know. How do they say it? The better,
Better
half?
half, those
Okay.
days.
Okay. All right, we're out of here. We're going to the beach.
Yes,
Thank
we
you very
are.
much.
Thank you guys. This was awesome.
Had a great interview. Another
Yes.
one bites dust. Another one bites
Doesn't that mean another one dies? We are 13 minutes away from the Yellow Dog Eats Cafe
Yes.
and whatever. Yellow Dog at the Yellow Dog Cafe. It's awesome.
Yeah, we hear you.
Here we are at the beach, and it's raining because it's Florida. The air blasting, and we're trying to decide if we should wait it out or
I'm bummed.
go for it. Yeah,
I am bummed.
nice. Looks nice out there.
Yeah.
Looks,
Drive away from the storm.
looks bad back there. Well, based on radar, we can't get. Yeah, we did just pay to park, but. So, note to self, check radar before paying to park. See how clear it looks over there? Looks nice, doesn't it?
Looks beautiful.
And you kind of pan around and you got dark clouds and more dark clouds, and over there, especially right where the beach is, dark clouds. So we're gonna fiddle around with radar for a minute and decide what we're gonna do. All right.
Excuse me.
Take a good look at that. That is our beach day. See those palm trees out there?
Swaying in the wind.
As close as it's getting.
Hey, we're at the beach though.
We are at the beach and we are stuck in the car.
Yeah. I think we're going home now.
All right, we're going home. Happy beach day video.